Now we're gonna delete that. And we are gonna do that. Now C config equals name value right up there, yeah, so that's still the same. And number config and so now now all that's left is to write down so we just do an if, or no, we'll do an if I equals 1 length of C config. So that means, so it will run this for every single line that C config has. Basically every single line that we need to write. And now we'll do config.write. And we're going to write C config I. And then that will make a new line. So that's not what we want. No, we need to... We open this on write, and then before this, we're gonna config dot write just gonna write that. And then we're gonna go config dot close, and then we're gonna go config equals fs dot open. I'm gonna copy this to there, but that's gonna be an append. So now that will open it in append mode, and we'll write one after another. Bam, bam, bam. We'll write that. And now, time to get all the errors that this generates. So, any right off the bat errors? Yep, 69 bracket expected. So let's just close this. Now let's edit APIs / config 69. There should be a closing bracket. Is that why? 110 then expected. Yeah, well, definitely was why. Edit APIs / config 110. Wow, there's a lot of lines in this code. That should be a for loop. Okay. So let's try setting test string to test. So Lua config dot set test string, I don't think it's any capitals, to test. False. Config does not exist. Oh, right. This is a 3. This takes 3 things. So test. Attempt to call nil. Config 87. Edit API slash config. Is this in the get program? In the get function? It's 87 attempted to call nil. Oh. Oh no, this is nice. Oh no, config.readline. Why would you attempt to call nil at config.readline? Because we didn't close it. Well, first of all, that would cause you to go nil. But where do we run get? Do we run it right at the top here? Yeah, why are you erroring at that? Because it works fine when... Oh, this is in the get program. Well, does... Wait a minute, where do we... have this start open? Here we go. So this. Can you not read in write mode? Then you can't write either. So we need to do a config.close and then open a new config. Config equals fs dot open configs slash dot name in write mode. That basically just empties the file. Save, exit, reboot, edit test2, config.set test, or I guess we'll do args1, args2, args3. We'll give our thing a little more flexibility. Args equals... By the way, whenever you see me doing this puts everything after you type after the program into this table called args, by the way. So that's what that's doing. No string can fail. Exit. Okay. Test2 test is the name of the program. It's called test. We'll just call it test. We'll get it to make a new one first. And I want to make one that says hello. But my string expected got nil. String expected got nil at 48. You got nil, hey? How do you get nil of that? Oh, 48 here. Cause cconfig. Because it didn't exist, so we need to do an if here. If cconfigs if the length of cconfig is equal to 0, which means that that thing didn't exist, so there's nothing for
It's 18 hours.
else return false config variable does not exist. Because it doesn't. So does that work? Nope. End of it equals if at line 65. An end expected at 48. Alright, first step, if it says that, is just put 1 at 48. Okay, so that didn't work. So now it's at 40, 46. And go there. 65 if expected. If 48 is if expected for 65 and 65 for 48. 65, 48. Okay, so that's for this. At 65. Why not right there? Okay. Test 2, test, test, test. 49. String expected got nil. Again. Else. Test, test, test. Wait, so that was supposed to set in test. Available name test as test. Test. I'll just edit configs / test because it was in this. Edit configs / test. cd configs. Edit test. As equals value. There's a typo there. Edit cd edit .. API / config. maybe not. Maybe not. CD dot list. Yeah, so delete configs. Lua. Config. Nope, not clock. Config. Not colors. Config dot set test value test as test. False, config does not do this. What? And then wait, exit fs dot list plus cd configs so the configuration file test definitely exists. So let's just quickly open our config and let's zoom in. So in the set over here, so it gets, so the only reason it would say is that it doesn't exist. Does it ever return config? Doesn't. Does it ever, wait a minute, does it return anything? No, this doesn't even return anything. Exit. Okay, you know what? I will finish this next episode.